A rainy afternoon. Mila is at home on a rainy afternoon. After lunch, she stands near the window with a cup of tea. In the morning, the sky was light. Now the clouds are dark. The room is not bright now. The light is soft and gray. Mila likes sunny days, but she also likes rain. Rain makes the street quiet. It makes the road dark. It makes people walk more slowly. She looks outside for a long moment. A man walks with a black umbrella. A woman stands near the corner with a coat and a bag. A bus stops near the bus stop. Two people get on the bus very quickly. Then, Mila hears the rain on the window. Tap, tap, tap. At first, the sound is light. Soon the rain is stronger. Water falls on the road, the shop roof, and the tree near the corner. Mila smiles. She likes this sound very much. On some rainy days, she stays at home. She reads a book. She writes in her notebook. She makes tea and sits near the window. But today she wants to go out for a short time. She needs bread, milk, and fruit from the small shop. The shop is close, so she does not worry. First, she checks the time on her phone. Then, she opens a drawer near the door. Inside the drawer, she keeps small things for cold days and rainy days. Today, she takes her blue umbrella. Next, she looks at her shoes. She does not want wet shoes. She chooses strong shoes. Then, she takes a light coat from the chair. Before she leaves, she looks outside again. The road is darker now. There is a puddle near the bus stop. A car goes through the puddle, and water jumps up. Mila puts her phone and wallet in her bag. Then, she opens the door and goes outside. The air is cool and fresh. Mila opens the umbrella and starts walking. She does not hurry. The shop is not far. There is time. On the street, many people move slowly. Some people stand under a roof for a minute. Some people wait at the bus stop. Some people keep walking with an umbrella over their heads. The street sounds different now. Cars are still on the road, but the sound is softer. People still talk, but not loudly. The rain is the biggest sound now. Mila reaches the corner and waits. Then, the traffic light changes and she crosses the street. She looks down once and sees the sky in the puddle. She can also see her umbrella there for one short moment. Soon she reaches the shop. The window is warm with light from inside. Rain is on the glass. Mila closes the umbrella before she goes in. Inside, the shop is warm and bright. Mila takes a small basket and walks between the shelves. She only needs a few things, but she likes small shops. They feel calm. They feel easy. On one shelf, she sees cups and napkins. On another shelf, she sees bottles of water and juice. Near the back there is a fridge with sandwiches, cheese, and small desserts. Mila goes to the fruit section first. She takes 2 apples. Then, she takes a loaf of bread and a bottle of milk. Her basket is still light. At the counter, the cashier smiles. "Rainy day," he says. "Yes," Mila says. "But I like it." The cashier laughs. "Many people do not like rain," he says. "I like quiet rain," Mila answers. He looks at the window and smiles again. "The street is quiet today," he says. "Yes," Mila says. "That is nice." She pays for the food, puts the bread and milk in her bag, and says goodbye. Outside, the rain is lighter now. It is still there, but it is not strong. The sky is still gray, but it is not as dark as before. Mila does not go home at once. Across from the shop, there's a small cafe. It has a dry place near the door. Mila walks there and stands under the roof for a minute. From there, she can see the street very well. She sees the bus stop, the tree, the wet road, and the windows across the street. A bus comes and goes. Two friends walk under one umbrella. A man rides a bike very slowly. Mila likes to watch rainy streets. People move in a different way. They walk closer together. They wait more. They look for dry places. Small things change on rainy days. After a short time, Mila walks home. The road shines under the gray sky. The leaves on the tree look dark and clean. The air still feels cool. When she gets home, she closes the umbrella and takes off her coat. Then, she goes to the kitchen. She puts the milk away. She puts the bread on the table. She places the apples in a bowl. After that, she dries the umbrella and leaves it near the door. Then, she makes fresh tea and goes back to the window. The rain is soft now. The street is quiet. The road is still wet. The afternoon is moving slowly toward evening. Mila stands there with her tea and watches the rain for a few more minutes. She likes sunny mornings. She likes quiet nights. And on some days, she likes a simple rainy afternoon most of all.